Hi kids, today we are going to learn 4th class, second lesson, the pancake. I'll explain the lesson. The pancake. Once upon a time there was a good woman who had 7 hungry children. One day she was frying a pancake for them. It was a sweet milk pancake. The 7 children were waiting with hungry eyes. So, once upon a time, there was a woman, okay, and she had 7 children, and they are hungry, okay, they are hungry means they want to eat something. So, one day she was frying pancake for them, so they were hungry. So, that woman she is making pancake for that kids. So, what pancake? It was sweet milk pancake, okay. The 7 children were waiting with hungry eyes, means they were very hungry and they were watching the pancake, means they want to eat it soon. Okay. Oh, give me a bit of pancake, dear mother, said one of the children. So one children asked for a piece of pancake. Okay. Next, oh dear, darling mother, said the second child. Means second child told little more with love. Okay. What does that second child told? Oh dear, darling mother, that child told. Okay. The next one, oh dear, darling good mother. So the third one told, dear darling good mother. Okay. So they are showing the love towards the mother. For what they are showing? They are hungry, so they want to eat the pancake. So in order to take the pancake, they are telling sweet and lovely words to their mother. Okay. Next, fourth child, oh dear darling, good nice mother, said the fourth. Oh dear darling, pretty, good nice mother, said the fifth. Oh dear darling, pretty, good, nice, clever mother, said the sixth. Oh dear darling, pretty, good, nice, clever, sweet mother, said the seventh one. So all the children are pleasing their mother in order to take the pancake, asking for pancake. Okay, they are showing the love towards the mother so that their mother will be giving them pancake. Okay. So they all begged for the pancake, each one more sweetly than the other. So all the kids were asking their mother for pancake. Okay, very sweetly. Okay, so that the mother will be giving the pancake. Okay. Mother said, just wait a bit till it turns itself. So their mother told, let it turn by itself. Till then, wait and see. Okay. After it gets turned, I'll give you pancake, she told. The pancake was quite surprised to hear what she said. So pancake was shocked, surprised, because mother told let it turn by itself. Okay, generally we will be turning it. Okay, it won't turn by itself. Okay, so that's why the pancake was surprised. The pancake jumped up in the air and landed on its other side where it sizzled a bit. Okay, so what does the pancake do? It jumped up in the air and it turned itself other side and sizzled a bit. Sizzle means it also, that side also it is fried. Okay, so one side it was fried and the other side it should get fried. So it turned to other side and that side also it got fried. Okay. Then it jumped again so high that it landed on the floor. Then the pancake rolled out of the door. So next what did it do? Again it jumped high, so high, so that it is not on the pan. It did not jump on the pan. It jumped on the floor now. Okay. And after jumping on the floor, it started rolling out of the door. Okay. It went out of the door. Oh pancake, stop pancake, cried the woman. And she chased it with the frying pan in one hand and the ladle in the other. she ran as fast as she could. Okay, so as soon as this pancake jumped down on the floor and rolled out, what did this woman do? She also ran back of the pancake by telling, "Stop, pancake, stop." That is, don't run like that. Okay, she told like that, and she was running at the back of the pancake, and she ran as fast as she can. Okay, "Stop that pancake, stop that pancake," shouted mother. But the pancake rolled on until the woman could no longer see it. So that woman was shouting, "Stop that pancake, stop that pancake." But what happened? The pancake did not stop. It rolled on and on. So it rolled on and went so far that the woman cannot see the pancake where it is also. Okay. So it went away from that woman. On the way, the pancake met a man. "Good day, pancake," said the man. So the pancake was rolling. So while rolling, that pancake met a man. What does the man said? "Good day, pancake." Okay, the man said, "Good day, pancake." "The same to you, Manny Panny," said the pancake. So what does the pancake told to that man? "The same to you, Manny Panny." So the pancake kept some name for that man, Manny Panny. Okay, it called that man Manny Panny. Okay, that also wished him good day. Okay, good day. Already the man told this pancake, "Good day, pancake." So the same to you, Manny Panny, that pancake replied. Okay. "Dear pancake, don't roll so fast. Stop a while. Let me take a bite of you." So what does the man told? Don't run so fast. That is, don't roll so fast, pancake. I want to have a bite of you. Means I want to eat you, a piece of you. I want to eat. That man told. Okay. But the pancake did not stop. It rolled and called out, "I have rolled away from Goody Puddy and her 7 children, and I shall roll away from you too, Manny Panny." So what does the pancake told? It did not stop. It rolled out and it told, "I have came from Goody Puddy." Who is Goody Puddy? The woman. Okay, the woman with 7 children. Okay, pancake kept a name for that woman, Goody Puddy. Okay, so I came from that woman and her 7 children, and now I'll be going away from you also, Manny Panny. Okay, the pancake told like this, and it rolled away from that man. Then the pancake rolled on and on. Now it met a hen. So the pancake was going faster. Okay, so now it met a hen. Okay, "Good day, pancake," said the hen. "The same to you, Henny Penny," said the pancake. So it met a hen. What does the hen told? "Good day, pancake." Okay, now pancake told, "Same to you, Henny Penny." It kept a name to the hen, Henny Penny. Okay, so it told, "Same to you, Henny Penny." "Sweet pancake, don't roll so fast. Please stop for a while. Let me have a peck at you." So what does the hen told? "Oh, sweet pancake, don't go so fast. Okay, please stop. Stop for some time. I will eat you a piece. I want to peck you." Okay, what does the hen do? It pecks with his nose. So it told, "I will peck with my nose." Okay, but the pancake did not stop. As it rolled, it called out, "I have rolled away from Goody Puddy and her 7 children and Manny Panny, and I shall roll away from you too, Henny Penny." So what does the pancake told? It did not stop. It rolled out and it told, "I came away from Goody Puddy and her 7 children, and also from that man, Manny Panny, and now I'll roll away from you also, Henny Penny." It told like that and it rolled out. It has moved from that place. Okay. The pancake rolled down the road like a wheel. Then it met a duck. So the pancake moved fast on the road like a wheel. How wheel goes? It has gone like a wheel. Okay. Now it met a duck. Good day, pancake, said the duck. The same to you, ducky lucky, said the pancake. So what does the duck told to pancake? Good day, pancake. Okay. Now pancake replied, same to you, ducky lucky. It kept the name ducky lucky to that duck. Okay. Pancake dear, don't roll away so fast. Wait a bit so that I can eat you up. So what does the duck told? So the duck asked to wait the pancake so that it can eat the pancake. Okay. But the pancake did not stop. As it rolled, it called out, I have rolled away from Goody Puddy and her 7 children, and Manny Panny and Henny Penny, and I shall roll away from you too, Ducky Lucky. So the pancake did not stop, and it was moving from that place and told that I have come from Goody Puddy and her 7 children, and Manny Panny and Henny Penny, and also I'll move from your place also, from you also. Okay. And the pancake rolled along faster than ever, so it moved out from that place faster. Okay. It came to the edge of a forest. There stood a pig. So pancake was at the edge of the forest, means end of the forest it came, and there pancake saw a pig. Good day, pancake, said the pig. The same to you, piggy wiggy, said the pancake. So the pig told, good day, pancake. Then pancake told, the same to you, piggy wiggy. It kept the name piggy wiggy to that pig. Don't be in such a hurry, said the pig. The forest is dangerous. Let's walk together. So what pig told? Don't be in such a hurry, means don't go so fastly. The forest is dangerous, means the forest is not good for you. It is very dangerous place. So let us walk together. The pancake thought that might be true. It rolled along beside the pig for a while. They came to a lake. The pig jumped into the water and began to swim across. So pig told it is dangerous, so let us walk together. So the pancake, what pancake thought, it is true. Okay. So okay, forest is dangerous. So it started walking along with the pig. Okay. So then they saw a lake. Lake came, and what does the pig do? It jumped into the water and it started swimming. Okay. The pig jumped into the lake and it started swimming in the lake. What about me? What about me? Cried the pancake. So already pig know to swim, so it was swimming. So pancake doesn't know, so it shouted. So what about me? How should I come? Oh, you just sit on my nose, said the pig. I'll carry you across. So the pancake sat on the pig's long nose. So the pig told to pancake that sit on my nose. Okay, I'll take you across the lake. So pancake, okay, and pancake sat on the pig's long nose. Okay. The pig tossed the pancake up into the air and off, off, off. The pig swallowed the pancake in 3 bites. The pig threw the pancake into the air, up into the air, and in 3 bites it swallowed it. Means it has eaten the pancake. Okay. Since the pancake went no further, the story can go no further either. So now the pancake is no more. Okay. The pig has eaten the pancake. So it doesn't go anywhere. Okay. So now the story also doesn't go more forward. Okay. So the story has ended. So finally pig has eaten the pancake. Okay. We'll meet in the next video with question answers and the grammar part. Bye kids.